Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to go over us replacing the inner CV joint on my friend the Hungarians Audi. So obviously, first of all, make sure that the car is fully and safely on axle stands and you jack it up correctly. As you can see in the video, it is all just jacked up and on axle stands. And then obviously make sure there's enough height on where the car's raised so we can get the wheel off. So this is just me showing you the how janky and greasy the inner drive shaft was, how bad it actually was and why it needed replacing. Just making sure everything is there. Obviously, as you can see in the video there, where the grease is leaking, it was held on by a cable tie. So I don't know who was in this before, but it was not good, boys, if I'm honest with you. As you can see, the part of the drive shaft was real gunky, greasy, and a bit rusty. So I'm glad we got a new one of that. As you can see, it's been there for a while. And then you'll see coming up the inner part of it, how bad the grease was, how bad it looked. It was not looking good, boys. It looked absolutely trash. This is the new one going on. The internal parts of it, we are greasing up like a good one. I would say it's real greasy. We probably put a bit too much grease on there, but never mind. It is what it is. So to be fair, we probably did over grease it, but never mind. So now we're going to be we're going to be seeing the hopefully finished article with it all back together, looking nice and lovely with all the new parts, and actually with the proper like clip over it instead of cable tie. So that's all good and fine and dandy. And then this is it going back into, oh, this is it on the floor, ready and raring to go back into the actual drive, the actual this normal hole. As you can see, it's back in together. We're just making sure it's all fine and dandy, all tightened up and nice. And remember, boys, to always tighten the nuts and anything associated with the job you've done. As you can see, I tightened up all these nuts, and then you've got the hub bolt that was torqued to spec. Remember to torque your stuff and bolts and things to spec, otherwise you may have an issue later on. As you see, it's nicely in position now, so hopefully it should be all fine and dandy for the future. My boy the Hungarian said it seems to have got better, but it's pretty much fixed to be fair. So here's hoping he shouldn't have a noise anymore, what he was saying. And then yeah, so it should all be fine, but just remember to spec torque your bolts and stuff to spec to make sure you use the proper tools and any other guidance that you can. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, if Cabbage can, you can too.